to my YouTube channel. My name is Charisma Blackie. To those who don't know, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, please do again. Welcome to the Honey Gang. As you can see by the title of the video, today we are installing hair. We're doing episode 3 of hair installation, which is installing this hair. It'll be a voiceover because I don't want to disturb anyone. Like, I've got people over who are doing whatever they're doing in the lounge, and I'm also working, so I don't want to cause any chaos and stuff, you get me? So without any further ado, let's get straight into hair installation. Oh wait, and besides, don't forget to click subscribe button, like, engage, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend that there's Charisma Blackie YouTube channel, and subscribe, and see you guys at the end of this video.
Okay guys, if you haven't watched my previous video, check it out on how I did this bold cap. And I bought myself a pre-plucked 12 inches bob wig from this boutique. So we're going to review it together. Okay, as you can see, it's new from the plastic. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys what's happening with the wig right now. It's 12 inches, by the way. It's full frontal wig, and it's pre-plugged. What I love about this wig is that the quality child is giving. It's giving everything that needs to give in a wig. And what I like about it is that it's pre-plugged. The lace is HD. I mean, the elastic band, man. I mean, these people, they made sure that I'm not gonna struggle a child. Do you get me? And just like that, we are wearing a wig, child. Yo, now we're not exactly about music on my YouTube channel, guys. Now copyright. How do I share? The music is so copyright. Like how copyright you everything copyright. So I'll looking guys. So preferably, I'll do voiceovers or I'll just do chit chat because I'm not about to be copyrighted. Otherwise, at some point it'll be silent because. So I'm gonna put on those clips and push the hair all the way to the back so that I can apply ghost bond freely without hair and the lace disturbing me. I'm gonna definitely push the lace and the hair all the way to the back. Now at this point, I feel like I'm not meant to be staying in this country anymore, because if I tell you guys that electricity left while I was working Lona, and then I had to wait from 8 until 10 boy, so that I can finish off this video for you guys. Because I can't move, I can't do anything until I'm done, you get. So as you can see guys, we are going in with the ghost bond. Retasa glue ponal like hopola ponal glue and redress for the box go crashing. Because in Khaja like a ponala guys, yo, I can stand. So we need to be as generous as we could. So yeah, child, and then we're gonna make it dry a bit, and then if it's all dry, and then we spread it all over, and then we continue drying one, because because it will get messed up. And like guys, anyhow, anyway, and then guys, just like that, and then I can elastic band, and then just like that, I have to remove it and then continue with what I was doing, because sana I'm not going back. Me fast. So after removing the elastic band, as you can see, the lace has dried, and then I style as I wish, and then from here it will cut a lace ya rona, so ke tlo bontsha hore e cut jwang. So e re ke kenye di clips tsena hore ke tshware moruri o ska ntistep akere. So just like that, we're gonna take our scissor and cut the lace. So na lace ya ka guys, na ha ke cut ke tlo thoma mo gare in the middle. I start in the middle by cutting my lace and cut mo di sides in like that, horizontally or ke vertical. No, ke horizontal first. You cut it horizontally into 4 pieces, and then after that you cut it now vertically, one by one, until you are done. Just like that. The lace is laid, and then we're gonna style from here. As easy as that. It's simple, guys, although it's a bit challenging, and yeah. Go mmereko montsi hela go bua nnete ke batla go lebelela maka nna irile ke fetsa mo ke ne ke upua ke tlhogo, and then I went straight to bed because wow, tona mmereko guys. So just like that, we are done cutting our lace, and we will be going straight into styling our hair. Okay, re tlo sebedisa wax sticky guys. Ntwena batho ba e morosa, they use it too much that their lace end up looking like their hair end up looking like Vaseline muriring. You're not supposed to apply a lot. You just apply a small portion, and then you use your hot comb. Mururu skasha. Isn't gore wena o tlo tsa ntwena too much ka rotsa Vaseline muriring, and then we no longer see the quality of the hair. Sana, not like that. Not like that. Just a small portion, and then you use a hot comb, and then style as you please, and then you are done. Not too much. Yeah. I can say little bonnie the week is at in ka Vaseline. Yo, petroleum jelly. Ntshwareleng guys. Ke tle ke borega sometimes na ke a borega serious, honestly speaking ke a borega. Batho ba tloditse wax stick and then ka re ke Vaseline, and moriri o na le quality, very high quality hair, and then ba go senya ka wax stick. On like that. So just like that, we are straightening our hair by Getty, and then we're gonna put on the clips gore re straighten moriri wa rona hantle, just like that, and then re tla be re feditse. A ke re wa bona le wena gore go straightenwa jwang, ga o senye moriri ka straightener wena gate wena ngwana ga mang. You just take it easy, you style as you please. How chase moriri, so anyhow, guys, I'm a middle part babe, so I'm gonna choose to go with the middle part, and just like that, I'm done. Look at her. She's so beautiful, guys. Let's talk about my glow. I get glow, guys. Look at me, ke montle.
So guys, just like that, we are done. As you can see, this is a full frontal. This is for the first time I install frontal. This is my first ever frontal, and I feel like, yeah, it was a bit challenging here and there with cutting the lace, but see you guys on episode 4 on how to remove this lace, and catch up on my previous videos, and subscribe, like, engage, and see you guys next time.